Hey guys, in this video we will see how to fix errors on your WASender software. Oftentimes you see that you are unable to send messages to contacts, or some issues arise that it shows that a message is successfully delivered but it is not actually delivered. So let me show you how you can fix that. So first of all, you have to download the latest version of WASender software. So for that, make sure that you have the latest version and you can download it from our site. This is our site, and from here you can download the latest version. This is the changelog, so make sure that you always had the latest version, and it is also mentioned that this is the latest version currently. And in future this will get more updates, so make sure to visit this site often. Okay. Oh, I hope you have already installed the latest version from here. So now let me show you if it still does not work for you. You just have to click on this update Chrome driver, and click on this clear sessions, and clear profile cache, and clear bot cache. So after doing all this, your software will get the fix it requires, and then you can start sending messages to your contact. Thank you.